Ma'am, mukhang kailangan na natin i-PM yung FDAS natin
PM, gastos lang yan.
Ha? Paano pag may nangyari, ma'am?
Wala akong pake. Mangyayari ang dapat na mangyari.
Several days later.
Mangyari pala dapat mangyari, ha? Na mo tuloy nangyayari.
Don't wait for the unexpected to happen. At Intersys i3, we provide professional installation and preventive maintenance services for fire detection and alarm systems, including trusted brands like Simplex, Notifier, GST, and more. Protect your property and ensure your system is always ready when it matters most. Call us today. We've got you covered.